welcome back to my channel. This is Ericka. For today's video, I will share to you the 7 accessories that I bought from Shopee for my MacBook Pro and AirPods Pro. Okay, the first accessory that I bought is the frosted mat case for only 579 pesos. I really like how it is transparent, so as you can see, the Apple logo can still be seen. Also, it includes a keyboard cover, a top and bottom case, a dust plug, and yeah, I actually decided not to put the keyboard cover because it is not advisable. Because it says here it could result in damage to the display when you close it. Since it is a retina display, this one, retina, right? That's how you pronounce it. Let's try. Retina. Listen.
Retina.
Retina. Retina. Anyways, if you want to change the color of your keyboard cover or a dust plug, then you can just put it in the remarks upon checkout and then the seller will follow. Actually, like for example in mine, I have a pink case cover and then the keyboard cover that I chose is black. So I just placed it in the remarks. So yeah. Next accessory that I bought is of course a webcam cover, and guess where I got it? Yes, of course, I got it from Miss Active PH, which is my store that you can also buy your webcam cover there. You can get it for 30 pesos each, and if you want to buy 3, it will be 25 pesos each, and if you will buy 10 or more, 20 pesos each. So this is how it looks like. There. Look. Yeah, you can read my script for today. So yeah, there, that's how the webcam cover looks like. You want to see the white one? Okay, I'll get it for you. Wait. Okay, I'm back. So this is how the white one looks like. As you can see, this one, wait, there you go. This is actually Angela's order. You guys see it? Yeah. I put a name whenever you guys order, so yeah, it will be more personalized. Webcam cover is very useful, especially now that everyone's having online classes and, you know, our parents are work from home. And yeah, what if you forgot to uncheck the join with camera and then you're not ready to show yourself yet to the people in the conference? So yeah, you should get one. It's really useful, trust me. The next accessory that I bought is a laptop stand. Actually, it just elevates your laptop. It looks like this. How I assembled it, you just connect it in the middle and then yeah, looks like a butterfly. I like how it's lightweight, and guess how much? It's only 38 pesos. And I think it's hard plastic. And then yeah, it looks like this when you put it like that. What I bought is an adapter. Of course, I need this because I will be editing a lot. So yeah, it is the 10-in-1 function. I'm gonna show you the inclusions. I'm gonna insert a clip, as you can see. And then here's a close-up look if you want. There you go. And it comes with a free gift. Did you know that? I chose the HDMI cable, which is this one. Price is 2,417. Yeah, they have options also that there is 9-in-1, there is 10-in-1, but I got the 10-in-1. I think the only main difference is that the 9-in-1 doesn't have an audio jack, but then this one, it has. So as you can see, this one. Yeah. That's technically it. Next accessory that I got is, of course, an AirPods Pro case, which is customized. I decided to put my logo, which is Miss Active. And yeah, the seller is very kind because once I sent the image, he replied back with a preview on how it looks like. I'm gonna insert our conversation here. And then yeah, I said make the logo a bit smaller, and then he sent it again. The seller is very responsive with your inquiries as well, and then once you've approved with the design, he will then send it to their warehouse. That's what he said. I like how it's transparent, but then I have one problem with this one. I'm just gonna insert a photo here. And yeah, you can spot the bubbles. But other than that, it's really a good buy and it fits my AirPods Pro well. The accessories that I will be showing you is not from Shopee. It's actually from my old iMac, which is these Bluetooth keyboard and Bluetooth mouse. And yeah, I'm really grateful that it's still working. Like, since we have rechargeable batteries. So yeah, put the batteries here for this one and then put the batteries here. Okay, today's video, we are so close to 1,000 subscribers, and thank you so much guys for the support. So yeah, don't forget to hit that like, share, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. Maybe a workout video next. Bye!